Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to this video tutorial. On this video, I'll be sharing with you two must-have to make money online and offline. Now, if this is something that you would love to hear, I want you to watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing something juicy with you. All right, so if this is the first time you're coming on my channel, I want to say welcome. I love you so much. Make sure you subscribe so that you can always get notification whenever I drop another amazing video, because on this video I share business strategies, money making strategies, so that you can make your life a better one, so that you can always afford the kind of life that you really want. Yes, if you have money, you can be able to afford the kind of things that you want without stress. All right, guys, so without wasting much time, let's get into it. So when we talk about making money online on offline, there are two things that really you must have. This cuts across everything that you've been hearing. All right, and what is that one thing? Okay, the number one thing is for you to be popular. Yes, for you to be popular. Have you ever wondered why your celebrities, whatever it is that they are selling, you are buying from them? Why? That is because they are popular. You know them, you like them, you trust them, you see them on a daily basis. They have come to gain your trust, and that is why any celebrities that come up with a particular product, that product is working, you are very much likely to buy. So you want to build your own popularity. All right, you want to get known. When we talk about popular, we mean you being visible, you being seen. All right, you must be known for something. Your celebrities, they are known for something. They act, they sing, right? So they are known for something. So you want to decide what exactly you want to be known for. All right, and after deciding what to be known for, the next thing you want to do is to build your KLT factor, which is the know, like, and trust. Begin to do things that people will get to know you. Begin to do things that people will get to like you. Begin to do things that people will get to trust you. That way you are building your popularity. And guys, if you build your popularity, whatever it is that you want to sell will definitely sell out, because people have come to know you. So as a business owner looking to sell that product, struggling with getting customers on a daily basis, you want to begin to build popularity. You want to begin to get seen. You want to begin to get known. That way you are building your popularity. All right, so what is the next thing you need to do if you want to make this money? The next thing you want to do is to have population. Yes, you need population if you want to make money. So when we talk about population, we are talking about the number of people that comes to you on a daily basis. All right, so you must understand that sales is a number game. All right, so you need lot of leads that you can turn to customers on a daily basis. The number of people that connect to you every day determines the amount of money that you will be making every day. So if you are not making the amount of money that you want to make, then it is because the number of people that are coming to you on a daily basis, as it relates to your business, as it relates to your product, are very low. So you must understand that it is a number thing. All right, so research has shown that 10% of people that buys from you, all right, so it is 10% of people that reaches you that buys from you. So if one person is buying from you, that means 10 people have reached you. Okay, so if you want 100 people to buy from you, then 1,000 people will have to reach you. If you want 1 million people to buy from you, that means How many million do you need to reach you? So you do that calculation, guys. All right. So you need population for you to actually sell out on whatever it is that you want to sell. The money is in the population. The money is in the hands of the people that reaches you on a daily basis. You need more of them, okay? More of them to reach you, more of them to connect to you, more of them to relate with you so that you can collect money from them. And the best way you can do this is building a lead on WhatsApp. Okay, using WhatsApp to build a customer list. All right, now if you check the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video where I shared how you can actually build a list of customers using WhatsApp. It's a lead generation course. You want to get that by clicking the link in this video. You will learn how to do that. All right, guys, so if you have these two things, be popular, get population, you will definitely make money. All right, if this video is something you love, okay, I want you to smash that like button, subscribe, and make sure you share this video, guys. Make sure you share this video so that a lot of people will get to see this and they will get to learn also what you have learned today. All right, so I want you to go put into action what I have shared